Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will give you a tutorial on how to create a website with Aida AI website builder from One.com. So let's get straight into it. The first step you need to do is head over to the One.com website. And as you can see here, we have a prompt box. So to get started creating a website with Aida AI website builder, we have three options. The first one is to start with an example. So what you have to do here is very simple. You just need to replace business type with your business type. So you could say, for example, yoga studio, the name of your company, Zenith, and where is it based? Manchester. And then you could click on Start Free Trial, and that's all you have to do for this option. But if you want to give a bit more details about your business and the type of website you have in mind, then you can click on the option Describe Your Idea, where you can give a full prompt with all the info you want to include. Then we have the third option, Modernize Your Website. This option is for people who already have an existing website, which maybe is outdated or they want to modernize or refresh. As you can see here in the pre-filled template, it says redesign and then you add your URL and then you can give a bit more info, like with a stunning modern design, keep all original images, videos and content. But for this tutorial, we will go with option 2, which is Describe Your Idea. We have previously made a video on how to write a good prompt and I will leave it right here for you to watch. I'm going to build a website from a hypothetical yoga studio called Zenith. I've already prepared a prompt following the tips from our previous video, so I'll paste it right here. So the prompt is, build a professional website for my yoga studio called Zenith. Include a class schedule, instructor profiles, and online booking. Use calming colors like sage green and white, and keep the design clean and easy to navigate. Once you're done with your prompt, you go ahead and click on Start Free Trial, and then it will take you to the sign up page where you can enter your email and sign up. If you already have an account, you can click on Login down here. Once you're in the website builder, Aida will ask you a few follow-up questions to understand better what your website is about. Here, for example, it asks, what kind of yoga classes does Zenith offer? Hatha, Vinyasa, Yin, hot yoga, power, restorative, beginner, intermediate, advanced, prenatal, kids, senior, general. So I'm going to go ahead with the first one. And after a few minutes, here we have the website created by Aida AI. As you can see, it's a complete website with all the info and colors we've asked. And if you look here on the left panel, we have a message from Aida where it tells us all the things it has done and included. Aida also invites us to take a look at the website and go back to it if we want any changes. Now, let's say, for example, I would like those numbers underneath the hero banner to have a count up. All I have to do is go here to the chat and say, animate the numbers underneath the hero banner so they have a count up. As you can see here, when Aida is done with the task, it always tells us. So if I scroll down, there you go. Now those numbers are animated, which is pretty cool. Now let's say I want to change the image in the hero background. I can say, and there you go, Aida has changed it very quickly. What I also really like about this website design is that if you hover over certain elements, like down here, they have a slight and subtle animation, which makes it feel so modern. Now let's say I want to change these testimonials, so instead of still rectangles, they have a subtle motion from right to left. So I've asked Aida to add a subtle animation to the testimonial boxes, so as we said, they move from right to left, but I've also asked to add a few more mock-up testimonials so that the effect will be cool. Okay, great, Aida is telling us that it's done and everything looks correct, so let's go ahead and find out. And there we have it, exactly how I envisioned it. The subtle animation levels up this website so much and it makes it look so professional. And it's crazy that I didn't have to do a thing. All I had to do was go ahead, ask Aida, and it did it in literally a matter of minutes. right, but let's say there are some small things that you feel like you want to tweak yourself without asking Aida. So what you can do in that case is go over here on the right and click on manual editing. And this will start edit mode. Manual edits are extremely simple. All you have to do is head over to the thing you want to change. So let's say, for example, this text, then you click on it, and here you get different options. Here you can still ask Aida for changes, but you can also go ahead and click on Edit, and it will open this panel on the left. Here you can choose font size, so there are different sizes that you can add to your text. As you can see, whatever you choose changes. You can also change alignment, so it could be on the left, it could be centered, on the right, and so on. You can decide decoration, so if you want your text to be bold, italics, underlined, and so on. And you have other things you can tweak, like colors and so on. But let's say you only want certain things highlighted in bold. Then you go ahead and select it. And there you go. Then after you're done with your changes, don't forget to save. But now let's say you want to change text. So all you have to do is double click and you can delete the existing text and you can add your text here. And in manual edit is also where you can upload your own images to replace existing ones. For example, I can click on this one, upload, choose my own, and there you go. Once you're done with manual edits, you can go ahead and click on the stars to go back to the chat with Aida. Okay, now let's go and have a look at the booking page that Aida created. So we can click on book now. And here we have it. This is also how it will look like for customers. So all they have to do is click on your Book Now button, and then they will end up on this page where it shows all the services and classes that you offer. So they need to pick one. For example, we can go with Morning Flow. Next, they have to pick a date. So let's say Friday. And then they can pick a time. In this case, let's say 3:30, then continue. And here they can add all their details to confirm the booking. You can customize the services you offer, the available days and times by going into the bookings dashboard that you will find up here on the left panel. In the dashboard, we can see different things. For example, the calendar. So if we have any bookings, they will appear here. Then we also have services, where you can see the existing services that Aida created as templates. And you can either delete those or you can edit them. But if you want to add a service from scratch, then you can also do that by clicking on Add Service. Here you can input all the relevant info about your service and then you just click on Create. In the settings, you can customize more things. For example, in the booking settings, you can adjust booking confirmation if you want to automatically confirm bookings, time intervals, so how often customers can book a time slot, booking window, so you can decide how early or late customers can book, cancellation deadline, you can let customers know how late they can cancel, and so on and so forth. So there's a lot you can do there. Then we also have email settings, where you can choose how your emails appear to customers. You can also add a message to the booking email, where you can, for example, include things like directions, parking, and other details. Then we have company settings, where you can add all the basic information related to your company. And in these settings, you can also adjust the booking hours. So here you can decide the available days and times when people can book. Bookings is such a great feature within Aida website builder because it means you do not need to leave the platform to schedule your bookings, manage them, and so on. And everything is in one place. And that brings such peace of mind and makes your life very simple. The initial shop page that Aida created from the beginning was a template page, so it's always good to ask so that Aida can ask follow-up questions and tailor the content to your needs. So all you have to do is go over to Aida and say, add an online shop to my website. Then Aida will ask you, what types of products would you like to sell? Yoga gear, clothing and accessories, wellness and lifestyle, a mix of all the above. I'm going to say yoga gear. Then he asks us, would you like customers to be able to pay online at checkout? Yes. And now Aida is setting up our online shop based on our preferences. And there we go, Aida has created our online shop for us. Here, Ada also tells me that I need to complete my verification, and it's important you do that before you start selling online. All right, but if we go here over to shop, we can see that we have a whole page and a lot of mock-up products. Then we can go ahead and customize with our own just by going on to the left panel and clicking on online shop. So here now we are in the online shop dashboard, and what we have here is the mock-up products that Ada created for us. And we can either edit them or we can also delete them. If we want to add the product from scratch, we can go ahead and click on Add Product. Next, we also have the categories. So here we can decide the different categories for our products. So for example, we have bags and carriers, mats, props and equipment, and uncategorized. You can also create your own categories and delete the existing ones. Next, we have orders. And this is where all the orders will appear when customers make purchases. Next, we have coupons. So you can also create coupons and discounts for customers to use. And last, we have shipping. So here you can add shipping costs to your order, and you can also create regional differences if you ship over large distances. And as you can see, we have custom shipping, where you can add option, and we also have local pickup, where you can add that option. So far we've seen how powerful Aida AI Website Builder is, from making changes to your website, to adding animations, to adding a booking feature, an online shop. It can do so much. But another thing that I think is super cool and so useful, especially for small business owners that are doing a lot by themselves, is the fact that Aida can give you suggestions and guide you. Let me explain. So let's say, for example, you want some tips on how to improve clicks on your book a class button. So what you can do is head over to Aida and say, what are some best UX practices? UX means user experience. So basically the experience of people going on your website. I should follow to improve clicks on my book a class button on the hero banner. And there you go. Aida provides us with a very comprehensive answer with so many tips. For example, it says make it unmissable, high contrast against the hero background, large enough to tap easily on mobile, and also use action-oriented copy like book a class or reserve your spot. It also tells you to add urgency or social proof nearby. So it suggests to add a short line just above or below the button like join 500 plus members or classes filling fast. It also tells you to repeat it further down the page because most visitors don't click the first CTA they see. And yeah, overall, these are just great and very, very good tips that you can apply to your website. And this is a game changer because before, maybe these were questions that you felt like you had to ask to an expert. Or, now you would maybe Google it or go over to other platform. But again, here is all in one. And Aida is so much more than a website builder. It's not just here to make changes to your website, but it's also here to guide you, give you suggestions, be proactive, ask questions, which is honestly a whole new experience of building websites. And being a small business owner can sometimes feel quite lonely, and you can feel like you have to make so many decisions by yourself. And Aida is really a game changer in that regard, because it's someone where you can go, and ask for advice, but also if you envision something for your website, like an animation that, back in the days could have been something very hard to make. Again, you just ask Aida and it does it for you. So it's a great business partner to have. And one last thing I want to show you, which I think is very useful, is that if you go over to the left panel and up here to see all chats, here's where you can see the history of your chats. So you can go back, to chats you had a few days ago and so on to look at them again. And now the last step, one of the most important ones, is to go ahead and publish your website. To do that, you just have to go ahead and click on Publish. So overall, Aida is a really impressive tool, and I invite you, if you haven't yet, to really try it out for yourself and see the amazing things it can do and what a game changer it can be to your business. And from an SEO perspective, Aida also optimizes your website as it builds it. So it's also really important that you give all the right info and all the services you offer, the audience you target, so that Aida can include these things on the website, which will help when ranking on Google. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments so me and my team can answer them. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.